Namaste, my dear friends. Friends, the very first time, many years ago, that I heard, we create our reality, I really questioned it. I said, why would I create things that are not really to my liking? Many others have done the same. Many people have questioned, why would I create an illness? Why would I create a toxic relationship? Now, of course, we are not creating consciously. All this happens because we are on default mode. These are all created because we are unconscious. We can become conscious creators of our life. We are living in a participatory universe. Our state of being is what is being responded to by the universe, and our reality is being created. Many times people, even going through healing processes, tend to go back to that same thing because that becomes our comfort zone. Our brain does not know how to process new energies. If not this, then what? We will feel comfortable to create consciously once we understand the complete science, once we know how to do it, how to make it happen. And of course, we start practicing it, and that's what will make us conscious creators.